Court will follow your agreement, sentence you to 3 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. There's an affirmative finding of family violence, and there's to be no contact with Imelda Salmon.
The courtroom falls silent as Judge Stephanie Boyd stares down Mark Anthony Salmon. He's about to give up his freedom, but first, she must ensure he understands the lifetime of consequences that come with his signature.
Court is calling 2022 CR 9125, State of Texas versus Mark Anthony Salmon. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Brittany Mitchell for the state.
Excuse me, Mr. Sekwanowicz. Y'all need to move it on the other side. We're on the record. All right, could I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Brittany Mitchell for the state.
Defense?
The attorney record is Joanne de Hoyos. Joseph States, and I work with Mr. Hoyos. Mr. Salmon, did you get this?
All right, Mr. Salmon, I'm showing you, counsel, I'm showing you the discovery acknowledgement. Have you received all the discovery and did you review it with your client?
Yes, sir.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Salmon, I'm showing you what's entitled True Bill of Indictment. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yeah.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Salmon, I'm showing you what's entitled Defendant's Waivers and Affidavit of Admonitions. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes.
Did you understand you're charged with assault family second offense? That's the third-degree felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yeah.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yeah.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call and the right to remain silent?
Yeah.
Did you understand by entering this plea bargain agreement, you were giving up those rights? And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yeah.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses? Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
I do, Your Honor, and just so you know, we previously filed a psychoval motion. He was found competent by Judge Carruthers on January 26th of this year.
And Mr. Salmon, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to end the plea?
No.
Has anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
Ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Huh?
Are you satisfied the way you've been represented?
Oh, yes.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial, showing you the plea bargain page. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
According to the plea bargaining agreement, punishment is to be assessed at 3 years in the prison. There's an affirmative finding of family violence, and there's to be no contact with Imelda Salmon. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yeah.
Did you understand with an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition?
Yeah.
And did you understand with an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to be designated as primary custodial parent?
Yeah.
Did you understand that to be the entirety of your plea?
Yeah.
Defense, is that the plea?
It is, Your Honor.
State, is that the plea?
Yes, sir.
Showing you the paragraph entitled Waiver of Appeal paragraph. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in both places? Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
Other than the psychoval, no, Your Honor.
Then to the offense is charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State any evidence?
State's exhibit number 1 and all attachments.
Any objections?
None.
Mr. Salmon, I'm showing you what's entitled Waiver and Consent to Stipulation of Testimony and Stipulations. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call and the right to remain silent?
Yes.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand? Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept in evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments. The court has reviewed the same. The court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are we proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will follow your agreement, sentence you to 3 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. There's an affirmative finding of family violence, and there's to be no contact with Imelda Salmon. Showing you what's entitled trial court certification of defendant's rights to appeal. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it, and did you sign it?
Yes.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction and also an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. Do you understand? All right, good luck to you, Mr. Salmon.
The tension in the courtroom is palpable as the clerk calls case 2022 SAR 9125, the state of Texas versus Mark Anthony Salmon. From the moment Judge Stephanie Boyd takes the bench, her authority is absolute. She quickly establishes the stakes. Salmon is charged with assault family violence, a third-degree felony enhanced by a prior offense, carrying a punishment range of 2 to 10 years in prison and a $10,000 fine. With the precision of a seasoned jurist, Judge Boyd walks the defendant through the plea bargain agreement. She asks him repeatedly if he understands his rights, the right to a jury trial, to confront witnesses, to remain silent, all of which he is about to irrevocably waive. Salmon, responding with quiet, yes, appears resigned to his fate. His attorney confirms he is competent and has no defenses. But it's when Judge Boyd explains the final terms that the full weight of the moment crashes down. She doesn't just accept the plea for 3 years in prison. She ensures Salmon understands the ancillary consequences. With an affirmative finding of family violence, she informs him in a clear, unwavering tone he is not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. Then, she delivers the most devastating blow. Because of this finding, he cannot be designated as the primary custodial parent of his children. This isn't just a loss of liberty. It's a restructuring of his entire life. The defendant, who moments ago was passively agreeing to terms, is now faced with the reality that his role as a father is legally compromised. Judge Boyd confirms the no-contact order with Imelda Salmon, sealing the emotional and legal boundaries of his punishment. In a final, swift motion, Judge Boyd accepts the stipulation of testimony, finds him guilty, and sentences him to 3 years in prison, exactly as the agreement stipulated. She grants him credit for time served, but offers no words of comfort. With a curt, "Good luck to you, Mr. Salmon," she moves on, leaving the defendant to contemplate a future where he has lost his freedom, his rights, and a fundamental piece of his identity as a parent. Judge Stephanie Boyd didn't just follow the law. She destroyed any illusion of a second chance, ensuring the defendant fully understood the permanent damage of his actions.